Okay, hi, my name's Jamo, a company called X445. This is just a very short video on one of our chassis products. It's called the X445 and it's a 4U rack mount chassis, 450mm deep for ATX motherboards and below. So chassis itself is a bit old school, traditional looking. From the front here you'll see that we've got this lock-in front door, behind which we've got two USB, power, reset, a light for power and a light for hard drive activity, which shine through this acrylic front. You'll see here that we've got 3 times 5.25 exposed drive spaces, and at the bottom here, internally at the bottom, there is a further 3.5-inch bay for a hard drive. You've got this grilled vent here, behind which is a 120mm fan, and that brings air across the internal hard drive cage, which takes 7 further 3.5-inch drives. You'll see here the CD-ROM fitted at the front, and you'll see that between the CD-ROM fitted and this power supply there is plenty of space, and so you can put some of the longer higher end power supplies in if required. Fitted here with an ATX 9.5x12 motherboard and a low profile graphics card. The chassis itself has 7 full height expansion slots, so ideal if you need to add quite a few cards. The chassis, as said, is just 500mm deep, so ideal if you've got some shorter cabinets. We've got space at the rear here for 2 60mm fans. Now if you've got a long video card, depending on your hard drives, because obviously these stick out a little bit, without the hard drives fitted you can get all the standard high-end graphics cards in, up to 370mm. If you've got something longer and you don't need any hard drives, this whole cage does remove, which then gives you the full, or nearly the full, 450mm. And it's also quite good because you then got the 120mm fan blowing across the graphics cards. So as said, it's it's a standard old school type 4U rack, £49 plus your vodka and tonic, and it's a really good, strong, rugged chassis. Ideal if you're looking to port over PC parts from a tower case, say, into a rack mount. So there we have it, X-Case X445 4U rack mount chassis. Thanks for listening.